All right, traders, George here, and time for some advanced strategy work. This is something that I do around the holidays, and it involves taking note of how price action has changed from the vacation part of the holiday to the work part of the holiday. When everyone's back at their desks afterwards and you have a full week under your belt, you can really get a pulse for the market rhythms and how the psychology of all the traders is moving price, right? So what I've done is I've used my fib stop and reverse auto strategy here to go into oil and look for a strategy that is really close to what I was doing before Thanksgiving, but I wanted to make a couple of adjustments to it to really maximize profit based on the price action that we just had these last 5 days. And that's what I've done, and I came up with some pretty good stuff here. This is doing 2.5 hours in the morning. So it did $3,280 on last week's price action, a really high win percentage. I don't normally look for this, but I'll point it out, 70.5% there, and then only 34 trades. That's also really good. So good expectancy, low trade count, high win percentage. That's pretty incredible. What I do with this information is I'm going to trade this thing live this week, and I'm not expecting it to do this well. There's a good chance it'll do something close to that. Every once in a while it'll do something better. I would be happy if it did half of that. That would be fine with me. I'm going to do this in harmony with my manual trades that I do in oil, and this will just be the auto trade component to oil. So when you're in the live room, you can use the link below in this video to get in there. When I'm in the live room and I put on trades, sometimes you'll see me or hear me say, there goes my auto trader, and the auto trader will throw on some orders when I'm already looking to do a trade manually, and that will be the case. I'll manually execute orders for oil based on the level 1 DSR charts, and I'll also let the auto trader go to work and do what it needs to do. But this is the basis for what I'm going to be doing this coming week, and we will see how this all pans out. So make sure you get into the live room this week so you can see it firsthand if you want to be a day trader. If you're interested in day trading, this is one of the most powerful things you can do, is to see what the repetition of purely visually driven signals can do. So I'll let this thing run starting Tuesday in the live room, and we'll see you there.